Honorable Minister of State, Minister of Science and Technology, Government of India. Just now he appeared on video conference, Dr. Jitendra Singh Ji. Honorable Minister for IT, Electronics, RTG and Human Resource Development, Nara Lokesh Garu. Honorable Principal Scientist, Honorable Principal Scientific Advisor to Government of India, Sri Professor Abhay Kumar Sood Garu. Honorable Secretary, Department of Science and Technology, DST, Government of India, Professor Abhay Karandekar Garu. Respected Vijayanand Garu, Her Excellency Jennifer Larson Garu, K.N. Satyanarayana Garu, Professor Kamakoti Garu, Madhumurthy Garu, Satish Garu, Rajan Garu, Sandeep Patil Garu, our Secretary, respected Bhaskar Garu, and friends. Originally, we thought to promote quantum computing. Then I thought to invite some of important people who will do this job. By that time, Government of India has announced quantum mission. Here is a man, Mr. Kamakoti. Once any idea will come on his mind, he won't leave. Continuously he is pursuing things. Then he came to me. Sir, it is a important momentum for all of us. We have to push quantum computing. How to do it? We have to work it out. Then immediately I contacted Government of India, Secretary Abhayji, and then Minister. They also agreed in principle. Then how to move further, I had a discussion with some of major players. One Mr. Venkat from IBM. He is also very responsible at that time. Immediately responded, yes sir, we are in full swing. But ultimately, Government of India has to accept, and also other players has to come forward. Then we created an ecosystem, TCS, IBM, and L&T. All three people made it a reality. I really appreciate these three players who joined together, and Government of India and Government of Andhra Pradesh are fully supporting them. Friends, you are all aware. So many aspirations and ambitions our people have expressed today. I am remembering my olden days, that is late 90s. At that time, Bill Gates innovated internet. Because of that innovation, world has become a global village. That was the beginning. I am following, as Mr. Lokesh has rightly mentioned, I started working for IT when he was 7th class. But I applied information technology in 1983-84, just he was born at that time. So, very inspiringly, I had some vision. Information technology will bring transparency, speediness, accountability, and whatnot, everything. That was the beginning. In India, nobody had a clue how to move forward. First time, I had a meeting with, today, quantum computing, at least, so many people have come. At that time, only few takers and some. They came, not one meeting, 2-3 meetings, we had a brainstorming. Finally, we thought we have to attempt it. We build one good iconic tower. That is where I called L&T. Even at that time, L&T was a premier organization in construction. I asked them to build high-tech city under PPP model. That was the beginning in India to promote information technology. But by that time, Bangalore and Gurgaon, they are having operations in a big way because of natural growth. Then I promoted ecosystem. Here I am using ecosystem. IT intention alone cannot serve the purpose. I went to America. First of all, I have to study what is IT, what is going to happen in future, all these things. As Chief Minister, first time, went to America. All over the country, I told all corporate giants, you name anybody, including Microsoft, everybody I met at that time.